Dan maigo iagami tawapism. Dan maigo iagami tawapism. Dan maigo iagami tawapism. What is the count of this month? What is the count of this month? Kaskatanuipism, kaskatanuipism, kaskatanupism. October. Piag iagamit, piag iagamit, piag iagamit. Is it the first of this month? Ni swal kiitse mitata tomitano mina nistano aski. Ni swal kiitse mitata tomitano mina nistano aski. Ni swal kiitse mitata tomitano mina nistano aski. It is 2020. It is 2020. Newa gisagaw anots. Newa gisagaw anots. Newa gisagaw anots. It is Thursday. It is Thursday. Dagwagen, dagwagen, dagwagen. It is fall. It is fall. Number 1. Number piag. Aweenagig, aweenagig, aweengig, aweengig. Who are? Who are? Number 2. Number niso. Kinigigwag, kinigigwag, kinigigwag. Your parents, your parents. Number 3. Number nisto. Aweengig, kinigigwag. Aweenagig, kinigigwag. Aweengig, kinigigwag. Who are your parents? Who are your parents? Number 4. Number newo. Kiitisanak, kiitisanak, kiitsanak, kiitsanak. Your siblings, your siblings. Number 5. Number nianan. Aweenagig, kiitisanak, aweenagig, kiitisanak, aweengig kiitsanak, aweengig kiitsanak. Who are your siblings? Who are your siblings? Number 6. Number negotwasik. Kistesak, 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 kistesak. Your older brothers, your older brothers. Number tepagop. Number 7. Aweenagig, kistesak, aweenagig, kistesak, aweengig kistesak, aweengig kistesak. Who are your older brothers? Who are your older brothers? Number 8. Number ainanio, ainanio. Kimisag, kimisag, kimsag, kimsag. Your older sisters, your older sisters. Number 9. Number kigamita tat. Aweenagig, kimisag, aweenagig, kimisag, aweengig kimsag, aweengig kimsag. Who are your older sisters? Who are your older sisters? Number mitahtat, number 10. Kisimisag, kisimisag, ksimsag, ksimsag. Your younger siblings, your younger siblings. Number 11. Number piagwasap. Aweenagig, kisimisag, aweenagig, kisimisag, aweengig ksimsag, aweengig ksimsag. Who are your younger siblings? Who are your younger siblings? Number nisosap, number 12. Aweena, aweena. Who is, singular. Number 13. Nistosap. Kisimis, kisimis. Ksims, ksims. Your younger sibling, your younger sibling. Number niwasap, number 14. Awena kisimis, awena kisimis, awena ksims, awena ksims. Who is your younger sibling? Who is your younger sibling? Number 15. Yananosap. Gestes, 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 gestes. Your older brother. Number 16. number negotos usap. Awina gistis. Awina gistis. Who is your older brother? Who is your older brother? Number tepagopsap, number 17. Gimis, 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 gimis. Your older sister, your older sister. Number 18, ainaniosap. Awina gimis, awina gimis, awina gimis. Who is your older sister? Who is your older sister? Number 19, kigamita tatosap. Kutawi, 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 kutawi. Your father, your dad. Number nistano, number 20. Awina kutawi, awina kutawi, awina kutawi, awina kutawi. Who is your father? Who is your dad? Number 21, number nistano piaksap. Kigawi, kigawi, kigawi. Your mother, your mum. Number 22, number nistano nisasap. Awina kigawi, awina kigawi, awina kigawi, awina kigawi. Who is your mother? Who's your mum? Number 23, nistano instasap. Gokumag, 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 gokumag. Your grandmother, your grandma. Number nistano niosap, 24. Awinagig, gokumag, awinagig, gokumag, awingig gokumag, awingig gokumag. Who are your grandmothers? Who are your grandmothers? Number 25, nistano nianusap. Kimosomag, 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 kimosomag. Your grandfather, your grandfather. Number 26, nistano ngotwasasap. Awinagig, kimosomag, awinagig, kimosomag, awingig kimosomag, awingig kimosomag. Who are your grandfathers? Who are your grandfathers? Nistano tepagopsap, number 27. Kitawasimsag, 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 kitawasimsag. Your children, your children. Nistano aina aniosap, number 28. Awinagig, kitawasimsag, awinagig, kitawasimsag, awingig, kitawasimsag, awingig, kitawasimsag. Who are your children? Who are your children? Number 29. Nistano kigamita tatosap. Tanete, tanete, tante, tante. Where, where? Number 30. Nstumtano. Wiguag, 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 wiguag. They live at, they live at. Nstumtano piagosap, 31. Tanete wiguag, kinigiguag. Tanete wiguag, kinigiguag. Tanti wiguag, kinigiguag. Tanti wiguag, kinigiguag. Where do your parents live? Where do your parents live? Nstumtano nisusap, number 32. Danse, 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 danse. This means how. This one means how. Number 33, nistumitano instusap. Isiga su, isiga su, isiga su, isiga su. His, her name is, her, his name is. Number 34, nistumitano niwasap. Danise isiga su, danise isiga su. Dansisigasu, dansisigasu. How is she, he named? How is she, he named? In this sense, what is his or her name? What is his or her name? Number 35, nistamitano niananusap. Isigasuag, isigasuag, Isigaswag, Isigaswag. Their names are. Instumtano Nigotwa Sikosap, 36. Danise Isigaswag, Danise Isigaswag, Dansisigaswag. How are they named? In this sense, what are their names? Nistomitano Tipagupsap, 37. Nêhiyawêwin, My parents. Nistomitano Ainaniosap, 38. Niitsanag, My siblings. Nistomitano Kigamittatosap, 39. Nistisag, My older brothers. Nimtano, number 40. Nimsag, My older sisters. Number Nimtanopiagosap, 41. Nisimsag, My younger siblings. Nimtano Nisosap, 42. Nistis, My older brother is. Nimtano Nistosap, 43. Nims, My older sister. Nimtano Neosap, 44. Nisimis, My younger sibling.